Okay, it seems like every car I'm trying to work on, I always have a problem finding out how to remove stuff on YouTube. This is my first generation Acura RDX 2008, and this goes for the first generation from 2007 to 2012. How to remove the shift knob. There are different versions, different way to do it. The way I've been find out, I've seen is the all the different Acuras that you remove this here, you slide it down, and it should be a couple screw. This one is similar, but just a little different. This here is this part. You pull it down, and this part comes out a little. No problem. It's just remove. Come on. This little thing here. You can see. This little thing that goes right around this here, and then you pull this down. When you pull this down, you'll see two screws right here and right here. Take these two screws, and this piece comes out. That's how you remove the shift knob on a Acura 2008 RDX, the first gen, basically, from 2007 to 2012. So this is gonna be the same. It should be the same. These two screws, and that's it. And then when you put it back, put this on. The fat one over here, the big one here on top, and these two little one here and here. It should go in this little hole. Can you see this? Let me see. There you go. It should go this little hole here. You just make sure you put it in there. On the other side, it should be the same. Put it in there. It's hard to do in one hand. There you go. Slide it down a little more. Well, as you can see, it's a little hard to do one hand. There you go. Then slide this up a little. That should be my hand right there. Slide it up. Just like that. And then you got it back on. That should be it. That's how you do it on a first gen Acura RDX.